Who wants a tighter tummy?
You bet.
I do. So, would you believe, looking at this picture, these are the abs of a mother who delivered 4 children in 5 years?
Wow. I know.
Now, before you say that will never be me, this is where she started, here to deliver her 6-pack secrets for moms who want their body back after baby. Dr. Kelly Lamoreaux joins us, and you're a dentist,
Yes.
but you've been now dubbed the abs doctor.
Yes.
Because what you did is remarkable.
And you know, Dr. Travis, after I had my last child, I lost close to 50 pounds, but I still looked pregnant, and I was so frustrated with that. So I found out I had a condition called diastasis recti. So I had a 3 to 4 finger separation between my abs. And many women need cosmetic abdominal surgery to fix that, and a lot of women do actually need that surgery, but I wanted to find another option. And so I went on a journey to find out how to heal myself. And so I studied under some physical therapists. I learned these breathing techniques and gentle ab exercises, and I was able to close my separation, heal my abs naturally. And then I wanted to give that gift to other women because you're so discouraged. So I wanted to teach them that technique. And so that is what I'm doing.
And I love it. And for everyone at home, it's just like you said, with diastasis recti, basically your belly sticks out because the opening between your left and right abdominal muscles has widened. And you know, it could be more common after 35, after you give birth to a high-weight baby, or after multiple pregnancies. But this can actually impact men and women. In fact, about 3 million men and women in the United States are impacted by this. But, you know, as a doctor, we always like to try conservative things before jumping to surgery. And you were able to reclaim your abs, girl. You reclaimed your abs without surgery. So can you tell us a little bit about what you did?
I really feel like the secret for me that made the difference was incorporating these breathing techniques that I do all day. I do it when I drive in my car. I do it when I work on my dental patients. I'm engaging properly. It's not so much what you do in the gym, it's what you do the other 23 hours a day. It's how you hold your body, your posture, your body mechanics. And that's what makes a difference. And this isn't just about aesthetics, getting a flat tummy. This is about improving the function and health of your body. And to me, that's more important than aesthetics.
The doctors.
12 years in!
The prognosis you prayed for.
For the first time in public, I want to see if she can take a few steps.
This is so scary.
The treatment you needed.
You look fabulous.
It's the daytime talk show that's been your cure for over a decade.
That is literally taking the lives from their community. I can't believe that this is happening.
With the issues affecting your health right now.
It is not housing, it is not economic inequality, it is a health crisis.
I lied to you, and I lied to you. I have a truth that I'm going to reveal.
The Doctors, on call for season 12.